Hello DIY lovers, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. I'm Tammy, and if you're new, welcome. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create a glamorous bathroom decor. That sounds interesting. Make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright DIY lovers, let's get started. Now this DIY project, we're taking this blue trash can and this mirror mosaic tile from BeeBeeCraft. A portion of this video is actually sponsored by BeeBeeCraft. I'm including all of BeeBeeCraft's information down in that description box. I'm also adding some bling strips from Dollar Tree as well. Now you guys, I am cycling through some of my accessories. I am taking my mirror tile from projects that I previously used, the little sections that I had left, and I put them all together, but I'm going to use those pieces to elevate the look of this trash can. Now you guys, the trash can did come from Amazon. I'm going to include the link for it down in my description. So you guys, with that being said, let's elevate the look of this trash can so that we can create a gorgeous, cozy style bathroom. And to family, as you're following me along, and if this is your first time here, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. You guys, drop me a comment in the comment section. Always talk to me down in the comment section because I love talking to you there. And you guys, let me know if you are liking the mirror decor. As I told you, you guys, we are taking you on a journey, and I'm actually getting the content edit and scheduled, you guys. So make sure you're coming back because we're going to be bringing you some content daily, you guys. And I do know we do have content right now set up to run for the month of August and September. You heard me right, August and September daily. So do make sure you check me out. So, and we're just getting all of that, you guys, put in queue for it to release no matter what's going on in my life, you guys. So you guys, thank you so much, but continue to follow me along. And as you can see, I'm gonna just keep repeating what I've done from one step to the next. At this point, I am adding on that bling strip from Dollar Tree, you guys. But we're gonna just take these basic accessory pieces to completely elevate the look of this trash can. Now you guys, do be mindful of that. Probably the second video after this one, you're gonna get my bathroom tour. Now as I stated, all of my home decor will be on the home decor channel, but I will be bringing you the bathroom tours. You're gonna get that on the home decor channel as well, but for the most part you'll see the bathroom styling because we are in the process of doing some major changes in that area that is going to be required to go through the DIY side. So make sure you do come back for that bathroom tour, and make sure you do go over to Her Home Is to catch the other room tours as well. And if you're still watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen DIY family, what are you waiting on? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, then you know every time that I am uploading. You guys, I'm bringing content every day for the month of August and September, but our typical upload days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. You guys, all at 5 p.m. with the Sundays, the occasional upload times at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do bring you sponsored content through the week at 12 noon.